So you wish there was an easy way to have parts of your character copy the frame before or the frame after. Not a problem. Now this is actually a feature specific to Cascadeur, and it has saved me lots of time. That's why I love it. So let's say we have 3 poses, and the foot is supposed to be in the exact same position contacting the floor after it goes up to take a step. Now in most software, you would probably go into the previous frame, copy the position and rotation, and then paste it on this frame. But if you click the stuff that you want to move, and then go up here and down under Tween Machine, if we drag this to the left, it's going to copy the attributes of the frame before, or if we drag it to the right, it'll copy the values of the frame afterwards. And if you drag it halfway in between, you can even partially copy them instead. And the cool thing is you can do multiple parts of the character at the same time. And what this is really most useful for is when you need something to be in the same place across multiple frames. For example, like getting a sword stuck in the ground, or when you want to keep the feet position on the floor consistent. It's a very powerful tool, so now that you know about it, I hope that helps. And as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.